Pepe is taking an absolute beating right now. Bitcoin is bringing all the altcoins down to earth. But is there hope in this cryptocurrency market in the medium short term, or are we setting up for a much longer bear market right now? Welcome back to the Crypto Report. I'm Black and I have another video for you guys. Today we're going to be talking about Pepe, and I'm going to give you guys my opinion on where I think we're going to be headed here. So hit that like button, subscribe to the channel. Let's hop into this video, guys. All right, so first things first, over on Pepe, we're looking at the daily chart. I will be honest with you, we're looking at this and it doesn't look too good. We're starting to spill over and break bullish structure. Yes, we are. That being said, though, we are at a very key level. We did wick below, and this is a perfect example of a bear trap because all it was a wick. We didn't get any closures. The structure really is still kind of okay here, guys, when you're talking about the daily time frame. Yeah, there is a little bit of issues looking at market cipher. You see the momentum wave coming to the downside, but in the charts, I am seeing some signal that maybe this is actually a buy the dip scenario. And if you do believe it's a buy the dip scenario, then I recommend you check out in the description box below or the pinned comment down below. We have a $5,000 sign-on bonus to Blowfin, as well as 10% off all trading fees for the lifetime of your account. So if you want to buy the dip on Pepe or some of these altcoins, because I do believe that we will see a turnaround here very shortly, then check out that link down below. No other exchange is offering 10% off all trading fees. When you look at Pepe, we're down a massive 24, nearly 25% in the past 7 days, okay? Up about 7% in the past 24 hours, getting a little bit of life, a little bit of relief here after this pretty brutal past 4 or 5 days on the cryptocurrency market, ever since Jerome Powell came out and was talking all that hawkish, bearish talk and spooking everybody in the economy, basically saying that we think that what we originally thought is that we were going to be getting a few more rate cuts, but what he was emphasizing is that, well, we probably will be doing these rate cuts, but it'll be over a much longer period of time. And risk-on assets do not like one thing, guys, and that is high interest rates, okay? So we want to be seeing these interest rates being cut, and more liquidity will flow into risk-on assets, i.e. Pepe coin, meme coins, altcoins in general. When you look at Pepe, we're sitting at a $7.5 billion market cap. Our all-time high was around $12 billion, getting pretty close to pushing Shiba Inu, which I want to show you guys a little post here in a second that is pretty silly about Shiba Inu versus Pepe coin. Sitting at 2.42 billion 24-hour volume, pretty significant. There's still a lot of volume happening with Pepe. I really like to see that. I think that has a lot to do with them listing on Robinhood. It's a straight line to retail investors, guys. Robinhood is the place to have your meme coin get liquidity instantly and basically have people gamble with your coin. And Pepe was listed on Robinhood. So over on Crypto Twitter, you can follow me at 333BlackC. I say, let us try this again while the meme coins are down bad. Retweet for Shiba Inu and like for Pepe. Guys, Elon Musk has been hinting at being a fan of Pepe, okay? Sure, it may be just the meme. Maybe people are really grasping at straws with, oh, Elon Musk likes Pepe coin now. But it really doesn't matter. If Elon Musk is posting Pepe memes, there will become a narrative that will drive liquidity to Pepe. I know that doesn't sound very logical or make sense, but that is just how the cryptocurrency market is. I've been trading in this cryptocurrency market for nearly a decade, and I can tell you what, if you can learn how to read between the lines, you can start to figure out where that money is going to flow. And if Elon Musk is really starting to talk about Pepe, it doesn't mean he doesn't have to talk about Pepe coin, but if he talks about Pepe the meme, Pepe the coin will perform well. It's very, very silly. But I do think that there are some things in the charts that are showing that there is some hope for Pepe and for altcoins in the medium short term here. That is Bitcoin dominance, guys. If you've been an avid watcher of the Crypto Report channel, you know that I've been talking about this for a while because it's extremely important. If you are a Pepe coin bull, you need to be looking at Bitcoin dominance. And we are testing this level here. And it's very funny how the markets work because they love to bring you to the exact point of where it's a make or break moment. It's a make or break moment. And right now we are at a make or break moment for Bitcoin dominance. Bitcoin dominance, if you don't know what it is basically it shows you for all the money invested in the cryptocurrency space, what is the percentage that is invested specifically into Bitcoin, and the rest is not specifically invested in Bitcoin. So right now we're sitting at basically a 59% Bitcoin dominance level. So that means that 59% of all the money and all the liquidity in the cryptocurrency market is in Bitcoin. What we want to see happen here, guys, is a rejection off of this yellow line that we were accumulating and going up in this rising wedge for nearly 2 years, basically throughout the first phase of the bull market and for the end of the bear market. We want to see this reject off, and we are at a make or break moment. We do not want to see Bitcoin dominance get back inside this rising wedge, because then all this will have been was a massive fake out. And I don't think that we will see it break back in, but there's always invalidations. What I do expect is this does look like a higher low, which is very good because that is a bear signal, and it looks like we are getting a higher low, and we should expect breakdown. And we also see a red dot on market cipher on the momentum wave. We should probably see some downward price action on Bitcoin dominance. And when we do see that, we should expect Pepe to perform very, very well. When you zoom out here, if you don't think that let me rephrase that. If you do think that the bull market is over, then I really challenge you to look at this chart, Bitcoin dominance, because we haven't had an altcoin season, guys. We have not seen it happen yet. And every single cycle, we see it happen. I mean, I guess you could argue and say, oh, this is a Bitcoin-only cycle, but that's not how human greed works, guys. We will see a breakdown here at some point when people try to gamble for more gains. It's as simple as that, and I do expect that to play out here. I will say, I don't think it's going to happen right this second. I think we're getting very close to that, and when we do see that happen, I do expect massive gains for Pepe. You know, Pepe's sitting at a $7.51 billion market cap. There is definitely a world where we go to a $100 billion market cap. There's definitely a world, especially for Pepe, considering Pepe is the #1 meme across the entire internet. It was the first meme. Before memes were a thing, Pepe the Frog was like the first meme, all right, guys? And I do think it will perform very, very well as long as Bitcoin plays nice and as long as Bitcoin dominance continues to break down. But I do want to emphasize, I don't think that Bitcoin dominance is going to break down immediately. I think that we need to see Bitcoin recover a little bit. That being said, I don't think that Bitcoin's going to recover at the snap of a finger. I think until maybe after the holidays. Right now we're in a downtrend that looks pretty... It looks like we probably need to continue to move to the downside a little bit more. Maybe test when you zoom out here and look at like the 4-hourly, you can kind of see a better picture of this. I think that we can come and test 88,000. I think that that is an appropriate level to be looking at. First 92,000, but 88K is kind of my line in the sand. And if we see daily candle closures below 88, I'll say, okay, we're going in for a much longer form of the bull market. We're probably going to be going in some longer term sideways and to the downside, all right? I do expect that if we get some daily candle closures below 88,000. So we need to be keeping our eyes open on 88K for Bitcoin if we want to see Pepe coin perform well here, guys. And if you like this type of content, please hit that like button, subscribe to the channel right now, and please go follow me at 333blacksea on Instagram. If I can get to 1,000 followers in the next 48 hours, I will give one of you guys $1,000. I want to give back during this time. I love giving back to you guys. I appreciate all of you watching. Couldn't be doing this without you guys. Really like it and appreciate it. And that's all I really got, guys. Let me know in the comment section below as well. Do you think that meme coins have bottomed? Do you think that Bitcoin dominance has topped and we're getting to see that higher low get put in? Lower high put in and we're getting ready to come down? Or do you think we need to be setting up for a much longer consolidation? I'm very curious on what you guys think. And do you think that Pepe can reach a $100 billion market cap? I love hearing your guys' thoughts on this stuff, so let me know in the comment section below. Check out those awesome referral links. Follow me, 333blacksea on Twitter and Instagram. Would love to give back to you guys. That's all I got. I will see you in the next one.